everyone, good afternoon. So right now we are going to unbox Oppo A5s smartphone. I bought this from Ma'am Gretchen Ruta Mata of the Now City Electronics Gadgets. So I bought this for 6,500 only. So if you wanna buy phones, legit phones or gadgets, you can contact Ma'am Gretchen Mata of Electronics Gadgets. So let's start. So by the way, the SIM one for this Oppo A5s is smart locked. That's why we have a free smart LTE prepaid SIM. But the SIM 2 is open, so you can just put any SIM that you have. Oppo A5s has 6.2 inches HD water drop screen, dual rear camera, 4230 mAh battery, and AI Beauty 2.0. So it's still sealed, and we're gonna open this now. Here. Ta-dang! There's a free silicone case, clear case from Oppo. Important information guide, different languages that I cannot read. And the phone. Oh, see, it comes with a charger, of course. There. Nothing else, I guess. No more. So here's the phone, guys. Just gonna remove the plastic. Okay. Wow. It's so nice. Just look at that. See that? It looks so perfect. I'm gonna turn it on. There. Very clear camera. Oh. Let's see. Portrait, sticker, photo, video, and panorama. Front cam, it's clear as well. Settings. So it's octa-core, 3 gig RAM. Device storage is 20.4 gig. I mean, it's 32 gig in total. And there you go. So guys, if you're looking for a budget smartphone that is awesome to use, that is very good quality, then you can buy Oppo A5s from LTE Gadgets. There, I'll just look up the specs, more specs of Oppo A5s so that I can tell you. Hold on. Oh my god, Oppo A5s.
Oh.
So, camera for A5s is 13 MP plus 2 MP depth sensor, autofocus, and LED flash with 8 megapixels front camera. There. Budget-friendly phone, but it's already super nice. See, so again, if you wanna buy budget phones, budget smartphones, and also iPhones, Ma'am Gretchen Rutamata is selling it from her shop, online shop, which is LTE Gadgets, but you can search her FB. Just type Gretchen Rutamata. Alright, thank you.